Hello and welcome to a new service video. I'm Andreas, Service Manager of BEKA Hospitech, and today we will show you a short video of how to servicing the SENTA hoist. I will show you a few key points to look after when you're servicing the device. So when you come to the site and start the service, you just make an overall view at the hoist. So you can start by checking the movable of the SENTA hoist, so the casters are all moving fine. At the same time you can check the brakes of the castor by pushing it down. The hoist should move forward. Now we will come and have a closer view at the seat frame. The first thing you check when you come to the seat, you check all the foam parts, that they don't have any cuts and they are not damaged, because that could cause hygienic problems. Make sure they are all fine and secure. Also at the seat you find behind the cushion here 2 bolts. Make sure that they are all tight so the seat is stable. Also you have at the SENTA hoist additional, you can have some wings. The same is for the wings also. You check the cover and the frame. The next thing at the seat frame, you have 2 armrests, left and right. Make sure that the armrests are sitting on the same level. You can remove the armrest by taking it up, and you have 2 red points. So when the 2 red points face each other, you can take the armrest off. The same way you can put the armrest back on. As a next step, we will come to the function and the electronic parts at the SENTA. Now we come to the function and the electronic parts. With the hand control you can drive the seat up and down from the SENTA. At the front of the SENTA you have the battery. Make sure that the contacts are okay. Also you have the control box here. On the top of the control box and the contacts you have 2 black rubber seals. Also you have an emergency button. Make sure that this button is working fine. By pressing the button, all the power cuts off immediately. When you're turning to the right side, you have the power back on. And don't forget, the electronic parts are IPX4 rated, but they are not for constant water jets. Now I want to show you the function of the emergency lowering. You have 2 options to do it, a manual way and electronic way. For the manual way, you have on the back of the battery holder a wrench. Make sure that it's always there. On the top of the column you have a little hole where you can stuck the wrench inside, and you can make the seat go down or up. The other way to do it is the electronic way, in case of the handset is not working. So you have 2 small buttons at the control box. The best way to check this, you take a pen, and when you press the buttons you can make the hoist go down or up. The last thing you want to check is the emergency stop function. So by going with the seat down and you got the obstruction there, the SENTA hoist will stop going down. Like you see, I'm still pressing the button but nothing happens. Responsible for this is a micro switch you find in the top of here. If this is working fine, brilliant. If not, you will have to check the micro switch. Always make sure, or remember that I just showed you a few points you have to check at the SENTA. Make sure that you always use the checklist for your servicing. I hope the video was helpful for you guys, and if you have any questions, just contact us. Bye.